Let's break down what the heck a sales funnel is and how you can build one for free to automate your sales. Timestamps below, along with some other helpful links and resources to actually building out your funnel. Now, jumping into our diagram here, this is the funnel I recommend you use when you're just getting started. And as with any good sales funnel, it all starts with your landing page. So on your landing page, you're going to offer something called a lead magnet. So your lead magnet is going to be a resource guide, a PDF, a template. It can even be a special video or webinar. I'll link in the cards in the description to a video that takes a super deep dive on all sorts of lead magnet ideas. The key here is your lead magnet is what makes your landing page successful, because no one's going to give you their contact information if they don't have a reason to. And so your landing page collects that contact information by promising your lead magnet. And then your first email in your automation sequence will just deliver that lead magnet and encourage them to actually consume it. So the whole point of a sales funnel is leading with value. So the sales actually comes later. First, we need to build some rapport, we need to build some goodwill, and we do that by saying, hey, give us your contact information so we can send you this awesome lead magnet. And then hopefully they find value in that lead magnet and they go, oh, this person can actually be helpful to me. And then your next 4 to 7 emails will be about your paid offer. So using something called a rapport sequence, you're going to build goodwill, you'll empathize with their situation, you're going to expand the dangers of not taking action, and of course you're going to energize people to actually take action, which is purchasing whatever your paid offer is that's on your sales page. So once someone opts into your email list, the first 5 to 7 emails they receive should drive all of the links should drive traffic to your sales page. Now, hopefully once someone's gone to your sales page, they decide, hey, you know what, I think this offer is going to be helpful to me, and then they click the link to go to your checkout. Now, let's be honest, most people will not, right? So we'll get to the broadcast sequence in a moment when the majority of the people say no. Now, for those select few that say yes on your checkout page, all we need to do is collect that payment information. That's it. Pretty much at this stage, we're just trying not to screw up the sale. And then once someone clicks enroll or submit or check out now, and you've collected that payment information, you're going to want to send anywhere from 2 to 3 more offers immediately. So softwares like Systemi.io, which is linked up in the description, allow you to give people the opportunity to purchase more products and services from you right after they've made a purchase from you. And this is a really powerful sales tactic. And this is really part of what makes this whole sales funnel process so powerful, is because you only have to collect that payment information once, and then you say, hey, I have this that I think you should check out, and I have this that I think you should check out. And of course, most people won't take you up on those offers, but the few that do will dramatically increase your average transaction value. And then of course, once someone has said yes or no to your upsells, then you can go ahead and deliver your whatever your product is. And if you're using Systemi.io, like we recommend, you can set up a free membership website or however you want to deliver your products. And of course, you're going to send a onboarding sequence. And in these emails, you're going to encourage people to use the product, right? And then also you can grab some testimonials as well that will help you with your sales page. Now, going back to our broadcast sequence at the top here, most people won't purchase from you even after going through this entire process. And that's where you're going to drop them into a general broadcast sequence or a general broadcast list. And so this is going to be where you send emails a couple times a week, and every 3 to 4 emails you have a promotion. And this just pretty much goes on forever and ever and ever. It just perpetuates into the sun. And of course you can promote other offers and other sales funnels that you create in the future. And that's all there is to it, to creating your sales funnel. So make sure you check out the links in the description to some deeper dive videos and actually physically building out this funnel for free in Systemi.io. Hit that like button and subscribe for more guides just like this one. And until the next, keep building the business you love.